If you're making lettuce boats, of course, you're going to need some lettuce. These are Garden Life lettuce boats. You could use them for wraps, for dip, and of course you could use it for salad. I'm going for quick and easy. I'm using this store-bought, fully cooked rotisserie chicken. And keep in mind, you could bake your own chicken at home, cook up some chicken breast. Just do whatever you like as long as you have some chicken. One breast off of my rotisserie chicken, I chopped it up and I'm just going to add it to my mixing bowl. This is just a variety of vine-ripened cherry tomatoes. You could use whatever tomatoes you like. Just make sure they're nice and ripe and sweet. Add all that juice too, because that adds a lot of flavor. For one breast of chicken, I say about a half a cup or a bit more of tomatoes. Make sure they're not too small, because I feel honestly the tomatoes kind of give that chicken that taste. And it's kind of the star of the show as far as for my opinion. I have 1/4 cup of diced red onion. Adding some capers, but make sure you don't get the juice, just get the capers out. This is how I'm getting them out with this. It's 1 teaspoon, so about 3 teaspoons. Adding onion powder. Garlic powder. Adding some lemon pepper. Not too much, just a bit of that. Of course, I'm going to add some garlic and herb dash. A bit of salt. A bit of pepper. And now for the mayo. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, and keep in mind with your tomatoes, it's going to add some juice, so you don't need that much mayo, but if you like more mayo, go for it. I like to rinse my lettuce boats, and then set them in the refrigerator, rinse them with some cool water. Even if it says that they're pre-rinsed, I rinse them anyways and set them in the fridge, and they just stay nice and crispy that way. I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this up. When mixing your chicken salad, you want to give it a light smash for those tomatoes and capers, just to release all that goodness. Not too much, but just a bit. Mix it and then set it in your refrigerator. Let it chill while you're getting your cheese ready. I'm using this organic Great Value sharp cheddar cheese. It pairs really, really well with the chicken salad. Let's slice some up. When slicing your cheese, do it as thin or as thick as you like. I'm going to do 2 pieces for each lettuce boat. I like to use 3 leaves for my lettuce boats. You could use as many as you like. So I just set them inside of one another. And now I'm going to add my chicken salad. I've already added my cheese to this lettuce boat. I like to just set it on the side right here. You could add it before you stuff your lettuce boat if you like. Check it out and see if you want to add any more of your chicken salad filling. I'm going to add a couple more tomatoes because I just love those tomatoes with the chicken. Just a bit of pepper. Simple and delicious. And I love to add some Crystal hot sauce to mine. Try it out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next video.